So children, we go back to our question answers. We are left off with only the last big answer, long question answers. Here it says, what is germination? How does it take place? So I have to write in details about germination and how it takes place. The growth of a seed into a new plant is called germination. So plants reproduce, they give birth to new plants. The way it gives birth to the new plant is called the germination. That is, from the seed, the roots come out, the shoots come out. That whole process is called germination. When a seed has the right amount of air, water, warmth, and nutrients, it germinates into a new plant. So, it has to have, the seed ought to have the proper conditions of germination. Proper air, that is the oxygen it should have warmth, proper warmth, it should have a right amount of food and water. If any one of them is missing, the seed will not germinate. Thus, if we keep a seed in a refrigerator, the new plant will never come out because it is missing the warmth. During germination, the baby plant uses the food from the cotyledons to grow. So, the baby plant which is there, it doesn't get the food from outside the soil. It is not able to come out. So, it has the food, it absorbs the food from the cotyledons which is stored inside the seed. From the cotyledons to grow. First, it grows into a tiny root and then a shoot comes out. So, first of all, both the things doesn't come out together. First, the roots come out and it goes underneath into the soil, which is able to absorb the water and minerals, and then gradually the shoot comes out, and after that the leaves, branches, and so on. The small plant is formed is the seedling which grows into a new plant. From this way, after the coming out of the seed small plant, it is known as seedling because it is not very strong enough. It is very weak and very small. It is known as seedling, which means it's a baby plant and it grows into a new plant. With that, we come to the end of this chapter number 5, the plants in our surroundings. Now, after this next class, we are going to start off with chapter number 6, which is plants and the important products we get from the plants. We know plants are very important. Without it, first most important thing from the plant which we get is the oxygen. Otherwise, all the food materials, mostly all the food materials, the shade, the wood, and so many things we get from the plants. We are going to study about it in details. And all these question answers which I have discussed with you in chapter number 5, please write it down in your classwork copy so that it is easier for you to learn during your exams. And for the first term, we will have up till chapter number 6 only. 1 to 6 chapter we'll have for our first time. Thank you.